Hard disk drives, magnetic disk drives. A hard disk drive is a device that records data to a magnetic disk and reads out data recorded on the disk. The hard disk in the device spins at several thousands RPM or much faster. The reading-writing of data on the tracks on the surface of each platter is done with the magnetic head, read-write head, dedicated to each disk surface. In the hard disk drive, the head is fixed with an access arm. When the access arm moves, all of the heads move simultaneously. In the hard disk drive, when the access arm stops at a certain location, a collection of tracks, which are in the same location for all disk surfaces, is called a cylinder that is used to manage the storage area on the disk. Due to the cylinder, data can be read or written without moving the access arm, as long as it is to be stored in a series of tracks of the same cylinder in the hard disk cylinder. Cylinder numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. are assigned starting from the outside. A track number is assigned for each track in each cylinder. Reading and writing of records is done in the following sequence: 1. Seek operation, 2. Search, and 3. Data transfer. The cylinder is selected in the seek operation. 1. Seek operation, determining location. The magnetic head is positioned where data is recorded. The time needed varies depending on the head position. Each device has its own seek time. 2. Search. The disk is spinning, so time is needed until the magnetic head reaches the targeted location. This is called the rotational latency. The rotational latency depends on the completion of the seek operation and is different each time. The maximum time is the time needed for one revolution. The minimum time is 0. An average of 1/2 revolution is used as the average rotational latency. 3. Data transfer. Data is transferred to or from main memory. The transfer speed is determined by the revolution speed and the capacity of one track. Data transfer time is calculated from the data transfer speed. The values differ with data length. Data transfer time is also called transfer time. The time needed for data access, reading or writing time for one revolution, is expressed by the following expression. This expression is used when you need to estimate record processing time for programs. Access time equals seek time plus search time plus data transfer time. However, in some case, access time does not include data transfer time, and a rotational latency can be treated as an average delay time.